In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Notion. Adding PDF files directly to your Notion pages is a great way to keep your documents organized, accessible, and easy to reference without switching between apps. Whether you're managing work files, study materials, or personal documents, embedding PDFs in Notion helps you keep everything in one clean and structured workspace. Let's begin with the first way to add a PDF to your Notion page. Click anywhere on your page to activate the cursor, then type /file. When the file option appears, select Upload. A file window will open on your computer, allowing you to browse for the PDF you want to add. Select the PDF, then click Open. Notion will automatically upload and embed the file directly into your page. This method is fast, reliable, and ideal if the PDF is already saved on your device and ready to use. The second way to add a PDF is by using drag and drop. Locate the PDF file on your computer, then click and hold it. Drag the file directly onto your open Notion page and release it. Notion will instantly embed the PDF exactly where you drop it. This option is especially helpful when you're working with several files and want to add them quickly without typing commands or opening menus. The third way, and my personal favorite, is embedding the PDF natively. To do this, click on your page and type /embed. Choose the upload option, then select the PDF file from your computer and click Open. This method allows Notion to display a visual preview of the PDF directly on the page. This is very useful because when you return to the page later, you can immediately recognize the content of the PDF without opening it. It saves time and makes your pages easier to scan and navigate. To open any PDF you've added, simply click on the file and it will open instantly. All three methods work smoothly, so you can choose the one that best fits your workflow and organization style. Using PDFs in Notion helps keep your notes, resources, and documents neatly connected in one place. And that's it. You now know 3 easy ways to add PDF files to your Notion page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.